additional weather information, visit our website at weather.gov/VOI. The current time is 12:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
Okay. This has been a test of the emergency alert system for no-weather radios by the National Weather Service in Boise, Idaho. We now return to our regular programming.
At noon, in Boise, sunny, temperature 77 degrees, dew point 44, relative humidity 30%, wind west at 12 miles an hour, pressure 30.08 inches and steady. In McCall, sunny, temperature 64 degrees, dew point 38, relative humidity 38%, wind calm, pressure 30.15 inches and steady. The report from Mountain Home was not available. Napa sunny and 75, Caldwell sunny and 76, Ontario sunny and 78. The report from Baker City was not available. Lewiston sunny and 75, Spokane mostly sunny and 67, Pocatello sunny and 76, Salt Lake City mostly sunny